Hi. So in my early lesson, I have given a brief introduction about how to use JavaScript Executor and how to go to the site and do some basic navigations. So in this example, I will tell you how to go to a website using JavaScript Executor and get the current URL and the title and the domain of it. So what you can do is I'm writing another method and navigate to the website and verify details of the JavaScript. So I'll add a description. So I define a JavaScript executor and also I define a URL. So and I pass that URL. So it's when I execute this script, it goes to this URL. You can do it without parameterizing it like this, but it's better to use the parameterization. After that, what we can do is get actual title. So I'm going to execute this script and return document title. So the title attribute of the page will be assigned to here, the value of this title. So it's same as driver.get title, the WebDriver method. So what I can do is I'm using the same WebDriver. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm printing the actual title, and also I'm using test engine session and check whether the title is equal to Google. Secondly, what I'm doing is I'm going to check the domain name of the site. So using this return document.domain and converting it to string, I can get the domain, and I'm verifying it. That is it equal to google.com. The second thing what I'm going to do is get the current URL. So what I can do is I can use this JavaScript method return document.url and I can convert it to string. This is equal as driver.get current URL. This is the WebDriver method. So both are written in the same thing. So I'm printing the WebDriver current URL. Also I'm asserting that variable that I got for the current URL is equal to google.com. So another thing what I can do is I can check that the page is fully loaded. What I can do is I can write a script return document.ready-state. So I can verify that if it's completed, mean the page is loaded completely. This is useful when you are having a page that takes a lot of time to load. So before interact with it, you can check whether the page load is complete. Then you can interact. So there's another thing what I can do is I can write another method to print values. To submit values. So I can find an element using ID, and if it's a display name, I can set it value to Sam. So I can find a value using ID, and if it's and send a value of password to welcome123. Or else we can use parameterization. The same command, and with this quotation we can enter the values and the locators. So it's a more ideal way. So if I want to handle a checkbox, I can use this the checkbox equal to true, and if I can set it to false, I can do that. Also I can use the XPath as well, not only the dio.get element ID. So I can use that as well. So if I want to refresh the page, I can use history.go0 page. Don't worry about the code, I'll attach it under the description. So further readings, you can use these websites as well. Those are good resources. And also you can read the link that I attached as well. So I'll run it and show you how it behaves. So I'll enable this. I'm not going to add much of a theory because you can find theories on the internet. So I'll be covering the practical approach of it. So I'm going to go to Stack Overflow and fill these values using JavaScript Executor.